cash and
flowers. And gift-bags from our dear sponsors, Beautywise and Beautywise. Congratulations, babe number 9.
Our first runner-up is candidate babe number 1.
She will receive 8,000 pesos in cash, a sash, a bouquet, and a plaque.
Certificate, Anytime Fitness voucher, and Beautywise gift packs.
The second runner-up is hump number 2.
You will receive 5,000 pesos in cash, a sash, and a garland, and gift bags from our sponsors.
Thank you so much. Anytime Fitness and Beautywise.
Up is hump number 3.
Our first runner-up will take home 8,000 pesos in cash, sash, certificate, Anytime Fitness voucher, and
Philip, tama ka!
For this is our first year para magbigay ng title ng So every year magkakaroon tayo ng 3 titles for both boys and girls. Okay, nagkakaroon lang kami ng discussion dito kasi nakalagay dito sa cue cards namin, inuna nila yung bikini runway than trophy body. So dapat mas mauna yung trophy body, then bikini runway, and then the grand winner. Okay, there you go. Okay. Anyway, same price na naman sila.
Yes, the prizes for
1,000 pesos for each title.
cash. Yes.
Trophy body for summer bodies year 2017. Okay, we have babe number 22.
Again, our Miss Trophy Body will take home 12,000 pesos in cash, trophy, sash, certificate, Anytime Fitness voucher, Beautywise gift pack, and Aficionado gift pack.
Wow!
Together with a crown. Yes, a crown. Ay, sarap ng feeling na ito yung nagko-corona, oh. Oh.
There you go!
Our first summer bodies trophy body is babe number. So again, we will call the winner for the bikini runway. So automatically, yung hindi namin matatawag siya ang ating grand winner for summer bodies was year 17. Our bikini runway is babe number 24. Congratulations, babe number 18. Our babe number 18.
Number 24, Bikini from Bikini Runway.
And our first beginning runway will receive 12,000 pesos in cash, a bouquet of flowers, gifts from our sponsors, and the crown. The first ever runway queen.
Congratulations, number 24. And ibigyan na siya ng crown.
Body.
The winner of Mr. Trophic Body will get 12,000 peso cash, trophy, sash, certificate, anytime fitness voucher, Beauty Wise gift pack, and aficionado gift pack.
Okay, our Mr. Trophic Body is carrying hump number... Hump number 80.
Congratulations, hunt number 18.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. Trophic Body. There you go. Up number 18. He'll receive 12,000 pesos in cash.
Way will get 12,000 peso cash, trophy, sash, certificate, anytime fitness voucher, Beauty Wise gift packs, and aficionado gift pack. And for the winner of Summer Body Quest Year 17, he will receive 20,000 peso cash, crown, trophy, sash, certificate, anytime fitness voucher, Beauty Wise gift pack, and aficionado gift pack, and be the ambassador of Madison Bay Beach House.
Okay, this time, our Mr. Bikini Runway is hump number...
Up number.
Hump number 9. So for our grand winner, we have Star Wars grand winner is hump number 90.
Congratulations, Matthew Aguilar.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Bikini Runaway. Congratulations! Year 17 grand winner! Hot number 19! Matthew Aclaracion!
Congratulations to John Michael Aclaracion. Deserved.